And hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be talking about the progress element in HTML5. The progress element allows you to create a progress bar anywhere within the body of your HTML. Now you're allowed to put your progress bar anywhere, and as an example, I'll be putting my progress bar within two h3 tags. Okay, so let's pretend we are busy downloading something. Now we're going to make the progress bar look like we're almost done downloading some form of content. The progress element has one opening and one closing tag. The progress bar has a minimum of two attributes, one max and one value. Max is usually set to 100 for percentages from 0 to 100%. Value is how far the progress bar is filled up. We can make ours somewhere around maybe 50. Usually a progress bar will also have an attribute of minimum, but it is not required. Now as we refresh our page, you can see we have a progress bar that is filled up until halfway. Do not be fooled by the opening and closing tags of this progress bar. You cannot put anything inside the middle of the progress because it does not show it. So do not be fooled by this, because I have been fooled quite a lot of times. You might be thinking, but what use is this to you? Well, once you start learning more about JavaScript, you'll be able to make the progress bar actually fill up if something is loading or being done. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next tutorial.